person at your life. You're a discontented mother and a regimented wife. I've no doubt you dream about the things you'll never do. That is why I tell you a story of a woman just like you. Ooh, she's been to Georgia and California and anywhere she could run. Took the hand of a preacher man and they made love in the sun. But she ran out of places and friendly faces because she had to be free. And she said, I've been to paradise, but I've never been to me. Please lady, don't just walk away, 'cause I have this need to tell you why she's all alone today. I can see so much of her still living in your eyes. Won't you share a part of a weary heart that has lived a million lives? Ooh, she's been to Nice and the island of Greece while she sips champagne on the yard. Moved like Carlo and Monte Carlo and show them what she's got. She's been under rest my keys, and she sees some things that a woman ain't supposed to see. And she said, I've been to paradise, but I've never been to me. Sometimes she's been to crying for unborn children that might have made her can't believe. She took the sweet life and never knew to be bitter from the sweet. She spent her life exploring the sun go whoring, the cost too much to be free. And she said, I've been to paradise. I've been to paradise, but I've never been to me. To me.